All right, boys and girls, in order to color in your Jeff Koons balloon dog, you're going to choose one color pencil, one color. I'm in the mood for blue, so I'm going to go with that. And what we're doing with this project, by the way, make sure your pencil is nice and sharp, is we are going to show value in our design. And the first leg that you should color in is this leg. You're going to color it nice and dark in the same direction as much as you can, because this is a shadowy leg and this is all going to be the same value. It's all going to be dark. So this is the easiest one to do because it's all the same shade, dark, okay? Like a shadow. What we're doing is we're trying to show the slow transition of light to dark to make this balloons look even more 3D, as if light is shining on it. So in order to add value to your balloon dog, what you want to do is start with, and by the way, as you can see, I'm rotating the paper. When you add value, I always like to do dark to light. So I'm going to do this nice curved line here. Just draw a curved line and color it in the direction of the oval. So I rotated my paper so that it's easy for me to access it. So now we want to go make the rest of this balloon lighter. So the way that you make something lighter is by coloring in, again, in the same direction, but not as firmly, not as firmly. So you're basically coloring it in nice and light. You want to have a definite difference of the body of the balloon to the base of this balloon. Each balloon we're going to color a certain way. So we want to make nice and dark bottom to show the shadows. And then you want to kind of blend it so that you see a smooth transition from dark to light. So you want to make this bottom part nice and dark. And it takes a little bit of reworking sometimes. And that's the joy of blending, is that if it doesn't look right, you can always fix it. It's better to start when you're doing the highlights here, nice and light, and then you can always add value to it later. You see how there's a difference between the dark areas and the light areas. So you want to make a smooth transition, so you go back and forth and you blend it so that it doesn't seem like such a stark difference. You want to have maybe a shadow, a midtone, and a highlight. And color pencils are somewhat erasable, so it is possible to erase it if you make a mistake. And once you have your shadows, you really want to make sure they're nice and dark. So sometimes you have to go back and rework it. And the actual tail could be dark. And I'm going to do the tail, and the rest I'm going to do in fast forward. So I'm actually going to like draw the line here of where the shadow is going to be. I'm actually going to go here. Color that in nice and dark. And that's what I'm going to do for each section. I'm going to draw a curved line and color that in nice and dark. Like so. And then the rest of it, I'm going to color it in nice and light. In, again, the same direction. Then once you color in light, you want to try to blend it in a little bit by overlapping on top, so there's not such a dramatic difference. You want to kind of see the difference, not contrast, but value, which is the slow transition of dark to light. All right, the rest of this project, I'm going to show you in fast forward. So it doesn't take you all of class to watch me do this and you have time to do it yourself. Okay.